Candle filter. The candle filter contains following parts. Install the filter cartridge. Install the filter cartridge holder. Connect the outlet pipe. Close the top cover and tighten the lift ring bolts. The whole filtration system consists of several steps. Add filter aid into the raw liquid tank and stir evenly. Open the overflow valve and feed valve. Start the feed pump. Raw liquid enters the filter interior. After the cylinder is full, the liquid overflows back to the raw liquid tank through the overflow pipe. When liquid is observed in the sight glass on the overflow pipe, open the pre-coat circulation valve, close the overflow valve. Enter the pre-coat stage. The liquid returns to the raw liquid tank through the pre-coat pipe. When the liquid in the sight glass on the pre-coat pipe turns from muddy to clear, open the clear liquid valve. Close the pre-coat circulation valve. Enter the filter stage. The filtered liquid flows into the clear liquid tank. During filtering, the solid particles retained on the outer surface of filter cartridge continuously. The pressure inside the cylinder keeps rising. When it reaches the set value, close the feed valve. Enter the forward wash stage. Open the forward wash valve, open the wash pump. Washing water passes through the wash pipe and wash the filter cake. After washing several minutes, close the forward wash valve, close wash pump. Enter the forward blow stage, open the forward blow valve. Compressed air presses the upper part filtrate from filter candle to the clear liquid tank, and the lower part filtrate to the raw liquid tank. Open the discharge valve. Close the forward blow valve. Enter the back blow stage. Open the back blow valve. Compressed air blows off the filter residue in the reverse direction. When the filter cakes start to fall, close the back blow valve. Close the discharge valve. Enter the backwash stage. Open the backwash valve. Open the wash pump. Washing water passes through the wash pipe to backwash the cartridge and cloth. After backwashing several minutes, close the backwash valve, close the wash pump, enter the back blow stage once more time. After back blow stage, the entire filtration process is completed. There are 3 types of discharge methods: automatic sludge discharge, butterfly valve sludge discharge, and air cylinder sludge discharge.